Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Today in this video we are going to cover topic input device. As we have already discussed the content of our computer subject, all the chapters which we are going to study in this session. So my dear student, I hope you are completing your all work in time in all subjects. So without wasting much time, let's talk about input device. As we all know, computer is an electronic device, and with the help of different devices, computer makes a computer system. Devices such as input, output, input device are those devices which help us to input any data. So, for instance, in a human body, information enters through eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. So, these are known as input, means to input, to intake some data. Alright. So, further information about input device, let's see the PPT which will be just after it.
This is touch pad. It is also called a glide pad or glide point, or you can say it touch pad or track pad. It is an input device on laptops and some keyboards also. It allows the user to move a cursor with their finger. It can be used in place of an external mouse. How to use a touchpad or trackpad? A touchpad is operated using your finger and dragging it across the flat surface of the touchpad. As you move your finger on the surface, the mouse cursor moves in the same direction. Like most of computer mouse, the touchpad also has two buttons below the touch surface that allow you to left click or right click. This is a webcam or web camera. A webcam is a video camera that feeds or streams an image or video in real time to or through a computer to computer network such as internet. Webcams are typically small cameras that sit on a desk attached to a computer or user's computer or are built into the hardware. Web camera can be used during the video call chat session involving two or more people with conversation that include live audio and video. Web camera is connected through web continuously for video chat. Next is MICR, that is Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Magnetic ink character recognition is a technology used to verify the legitimacy or originality of paper document, especially checks, bank check. It consists special ink which is sensitive to magnetic field. It is used in a printing of certain characters on the original documents. Information can be encoded in the magnetic characters. The use of MICR can enhance security and minimize the loss caused by some type of crime. If a document has been forgot, for example, a check produced using a color photocopying machine, the magnetic ink line will either not respond to the magnetic field or will produce an incorrect code when scanned using this device. It is designed to recover the information in a magnetic characteristics. Next is a barcode reader, or you can say barcode scanner. It is an optical scanner that can read printed barcodes or decode the data contained in the barcode and send the data to the computer. Like a flatbed scanner, it consists of a light source, a lens and a light sensor translating for optical impulses into electrical signal. Additionally, nearly all barcode readers contain decoders circulatory that can analyze the barcode image that provided by the sensor and sending the barcode content to the scanner's output port. Means whatever the information after you will get scanning these lines, barcode scanner will transfer that message to the computer. A digital camera is a camera that captures photographs in digital memory. Most camera produced today are digital, largely replacing those that capture images on photographic film. While there are still dedicated digital cameras, many more cameras are now incorporated into mobile devices like smartphones. These are cameras which highly fixed with good quality lenses. These are cameras used to click high quality images and picture. This is OMR, that is optical mark reading. OMR is a method or entering data into a computer system. Optical mark reader reads pencil or pen mark made in predefined position on paper form as responses to a question or tick list prompt. The OMR data entry system contains the information to convert the presence or absence of marks into the computer data file. The OMR technology could be used if data is to be collected from a huge number of sources simultaneously. A large volume of data must be collected and processed into a short period of time. Information mainly comprises the selection of category or tick box answer to multiple choice questions. This is graphic tablet, also known as tablet or drawing pad or digital drawing tablet or pen tablet. It is a computer input device that enable a user to draw with pen or a pen-like stylus. Similar to the person draw images with pencil and paper. These tablets may also be used to capture data or handwriting signatures. It can also be used to trace an image from a piece of paper that is trapped or secured to the tablet surface. Capturing data in this way by tracing or entering the corner of line, polyline or shapes is called digitization or digitizing. This device consists of a rough surface upon which the user may draw or trace an image using the attached stylus pen, a pen-like drawing. The image is shown on your screen. This is stylus. The pen-like structure is known as stylus, and the pad on which stylus is working is called graphic tablet.